Average American Spending by Fishman. Do you know where your money goes? The whole is equivalent to 100% of your total income. Parts of your income can be represented by percent or a fraction. For example, 10% or 1/10, 50% or 1/2. Let's take a look at the average American spending. The average American spends 25% or 1/4 of his income for housing. 3 out of 20 or 15% spent for transportation. 12% or 3 out of 25 spent for groceries and dining. 10% or 1 out of 10 goes to savings. Another 10% for utilities and phone. 5% or 1 out of 20 for charity. Another 5% or 1 out of 20 for clothing. 5% for entertainment. Another 5% or 1 out of 20 for medical. Another 5% spent for holidays and gifts. The remaining 3% or 3 out of 100 is spent for miscellaneous. The average American spends $1,407.92 per month for housing, $844.75 per month for transportation, and $675.80 per month for groceries and dining. Can we determine how much is spent for the other parts? Yes, we can. All we need to do is to figure out how much the total income is. Given 25% is spent for housing, and that is $1,407.92. We multiply that amount by 4 to get the total amount of his income. Let's try this. 5,631.68 is divided by 10 or multiplied by 10%, and it gives us 563.17 goes for utility and phone. 5% or 1 out of 20, goes for holidays and gifts. 563 and 17 cents is divided by 2, and that is 281 and 58 cents. 3% of 5,631 and 68 cents goes for miscellaneous. This is where the money of an average American goes